Hi guys, how are you? In this video I'm going to show you how to say my, whatever, a noun. So let's have some words in Arabic and let's see what are the exceptions. So we have some exceptions for having the rule we have. So first of all, I'm going to give you some of the words we had earlier in our previous videos and let's see how to make them my. So first, the first one is بيت, a house. بيت. So you would just add an E at the end, the ya letter. So you would just add the sound pronunciation E at the end to make it my house. So again, my house is بيتي. بيتي. My house is بيتي. An age. We had an age before. An age is عمر. عمر. So my age is عمري. عمري. My house is بيتي. My age is عمري. عمري. And then a book. Book is كتاب. كتاب. So كتاب, it would be my book, it would be كتابي. كتابي. So again, my house is بيتي. My age is عمري. And my book is كتابي. كتابي. My office or my desk, we had this before, an office or a desk means مكتب. مكتب. So my office or my desk, it would be مكتبي. مكتبي. So we are just adding the E sound at the end to make it mine. My, whatever, my noun. So let's see now how to make the exceptions. The exceptions are only for the words that end with a ta marbuta, which is the circled ta. The circled ta, the ta marbuta, this one. So, for example, we have several words, like the first one is library. A library in Arabic is maktaba. Maktaba. So it has the T at the end, the circle T, which has the pronunciation A at the end. And of course, you know that it's only at the end of the word. You can see it only at the end of the word, and the pronunciation of it is not a T, it's an A. So maktaba. Maktaba is a library. This is the first one. A car is سيارة. سيارة. Car. سيارة. The last one is an opportunity. Opportunity in Arabic is فرصة. فرصة. With a sa. فرصة. So I'll repeat them, three of them. First, we have maktaba, library. Second, we have سيارة, which is a car. And the last one is an opportunity, which is فرصة. فرصة. So now let's see how to make them my. My car, my library, and my opportunity. So first of all, we will have the first one, which was library, maktaba. So it has the circle ta at the end of it. Just think about it like that. The circle ta is so lonely. So it's so lonely. This is why it has the pronunciation like ah at the end. But when some company comes to it, of course, you know that we have to add the pronunciation E at the end. So it has a company right now. So now she's so happy. The T is so happy. So now it has the pronunciation of a real ta, the real T. So now we will replace it with a real T, with the pronunciation of a T, and then we will add the E, which refers to my thing. So I repeat, maktaba. Maktaba, it has the circle ta. First, we have to replace it with a real ta, a pronounced T. So, and then we will add an E at the end. So it would be maktabati. Maktabati. Think with me. Let's think. So the second one is سيارة, and سيارة means a car. So think how to say my car. 1, 2, 3. سيارتي. سيارتي. So this is my car. And the last one is فرصة. Also think with me. 1, 2, 3. It's فرصتي. فرصتي. My opportunity. I'll repeat three of them. First we have my library, maktabati. Second we have my car, which is سيارتي. And the last one is my opportunity, which is فرصتي. فرصتي. That's it. And this is how we do say my whatever right now. So now you know all the rules for saying my and then a noun, my whatever. And then if you now know an Arabic word, you can have my car, my house, my room, my desk, etc. So this is how would you do it. I hope you like it, and if you like it, please tell me. If you don't like it, also tell me why. And subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye bye.